Hello, Scorpio. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love reading and guidance, special angelic messages from heaven. And this is for April 1st through the 15th. This is going to be advice that is going to help you, not harm you. So I ask that you guys please listen with positive vibes, good intentions, and please take the words exactly as they are and don't try to twist anything. All right, so I want to tell you that before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I hope that you like and subscribe to the channel. Also, you guys, if this is your first time being here, those style of my videos are meant for those of you who just want to listen and you don't really have time to watch. So pop those earphones in and just relax and listen. All right. So my goal here is to help you stay together with someone, get together with someone, or maybe just have more positive outlooks on life. That's my goal here. That's really all I'm doing. Okay. So let's get started. We're going to look at how you feel about this person of interest, a lover or love interest, and how does this person feel about you. And then we're going to look into how you see each other, because it's different from the feelings. You could feel one thing and they could see a different thing, right? So we look at feelings and views here, and then after we finish this, if you guys want to go deeper, get an extended, because in the extended we're going to look at what does this person really want. What are their intentions, the true intentions and secrets, things that they're hiding? What are they not saying? And then we're also going to look at some angel messages and guidance to help you guys work through this energy for the next 2 weeks, what you guys need to do. All right. So the extended link is down below in the description box. Okay. Scorpio, how do you feel about this person you're interested in? Oh, wow. Whew. You're going crazy. You're going crazy right now for some reason. First 2 weeks in April, people think you're going insane. This is for somebody out there. People see you like you're lost. Okay, you may feel lost. You may feel this, like you may feel different about yourself overall. There's a lot of heavy gossip surrounding you in your love life right now. A lot of, when I say heavy gossip, I mean heavy gossip, okay? Rumors are circulating everywhere. The airwaves are buzzing and your name is involved. This is dealing with a lot of people, okay? There's a lot of chit-chat happening, a lot of rumors happening. It's a lot of stuff going on. And so some of you may feel like with all of this, like rumors and gossip, it could be from family members, friends. It could be from the public. It could be people at work. It could be your neighbors. It could be anybody. But people are talking about something, some aspect of your love life or your love relationship. And you may feel a sense of wanting to escape everything and just go on like a super long hiatus away from either social media or away from your job or away from your family or away from your friends. Or maybe you just want to go away from your relationship partner, okay? So whatever this is about, I see you guys like disappearing off the scene because of whatever is going on here. You may shut down, or you may feel like shutting out certain people because for some reason people are making you feel attacked for some reason, okay? So you're remembering the things that is coming back up from the past. You're remembering something that you've either done and now it's coming back up and everybody's talking about it. Or you're remembering something that you lost or you forgot about, and now you're having an aha moment. It's like a big, massive epiphany is happening, and it's something that people are going to bring up around you about this, okay? So that is what, wow, that is what the holy angels are telling me, guys. Like, I don't control the energy. I don't control, like, you know, what's going to happen. That's reserved for God Almighty, right? But this is what's happening. I'm just saying what I see. Your person of interest, how are they feeling? This is someone who, oh wow, this is a person who feels like now the truth is revealed. Now the truth has been revealed. It has come out. Okay, and you are not in a good place right now mentally. This is showing on the surface, and whoever you're interested in can see this. They're like standing back observing it. It's like they have nothing to do with this, but they're just standing back observing and watching things as they play out. Okay, this person could be ignoring the truth as well for some people, or they're running too. Like you're running away from this stuff and they're running away too. But I think that you guys are going in two different directions with this, okay? But, or maybe they just see you, they just feel like you're running away, because that's what I'm getting too. Like they feel like you're running away from whatever is happening and you're not facing the truth, okay? I'm getting something about news coming out about something. Okay, there's something here going on, guys, and I couldn't tell you exactly what it is. You would have to get the extended. You would have to get the extended to look a lot deeper into what this is. Okay, now you both of your views, your point of views, how you see each other. Okay, Scorpio, you see this person as an archangel. Wow. Really, you do? You see this person as an angel from heaven. And it looks like you guys see this person as being divine, like a divine soul, a heavenly person, someone who is a beautiful person on the inside. For some reason, you do. Like you just have this kind of, this is your love interest, okay? This is somebody that you're interested in, or somebody is a lover, like somebody. See, I don't get the vibe that this is a person who started any rumors about you or made anything that you're going through. I don't think they're the cause of it. That's what I mean. But whoever this love interest is, you see them as some type of angel, okay? You feel like this person is a chief revealer. Like this is someone who has the power, ability to reveal things to you that you didn't know were there, okay? Or this person is a humanitarian. They are all about people. They could be a humanitarian for they could do charity work. They could be the kind of person who wants to help other people or help the world. Or maybe they have a really positive world view or outlook on life. Some of you look at this person like they carry the holy grail of of universal love and human kindness. This is someone who is so kind to people. They share unconditional and universal love with everything around them. Everything this person touches is gold. This person is absolutely beautiful to you, magnificent to you, high quality. You absolutely love this person. This one, we're getting specifically Archangel Gabriel or Archangel Gabriel if it's a male. So it could be a male or a female. But look up Archangel Gabriel and look at the description of Archangel Gabriel and see what Archangel Gabriel represents. See how the angel looks. See what the angel does. And for some reason, there's a comparison to that angel to this person. This person you see as an archetype, like an angel. This is someone who you see can raise your vibration. This is the only person that can raise your vibration. They're okay, not to be so dramatic, but I know Scorpios are so dramatic. So some of you are probably listening to this normal, but there's a couple of you that are very sarcastic and you're probably laughing at some things, but no, like, you know how people meet a person for the first time and they're like, what an angel. Oh my God, where have you been all my life? You're so just amazing. I needed you. I needed this conversation. You make me feel so good. Like that, right? So that's how this person is making someone feel, that you feel, Scorpio, that this person is always compassionate to everybody. And they even try to help people that don't help them. They even try to help people that don't like them, or people that are mean and evil with this person. They still love people. They still love people. You've never seen a more hardworking, solid person than this person. You've never seen a person who's gone through massive pain and they are still loving people as if it never happened. You've never seen that. But what you see in this person is raising your vibration now. What you're noticing in them, you're starting to feel like maybe you need to raise your vibration and you need to come up to this person's level of consciousness or their level of love. Like, in order for you to be like them, you're starting to realize that you have to really, truly, and I mean, you have to really, truly elevate. Like, you have to elevate in order to be with this person or in order to keep up with this person. And that's what I'm getting here. Like, this is how divine this person is. That's just how you see them. Now, how do they see the Scorpio? They see the same thing that you know you need to do. They see that you need to allow the sunshine or God into your life and enlighten and become enlightened and warm your heart. They know that some of you have a hard heart. Some of you, your heart is so hard that you don't know how to love anybody or anything the right way. You may feel like that. Or you've gotten hurt or scorned so bad in your past that you're just cold. Like, you don't want to open your heart because people always hurt you. Now, I'm not judging you because I know that a lot of people go through a lot of stuff. But see, this is the kind of person that you can't hurt them in order for them to love you. You have to really love them in order for them to love you. This person is like, no matter what you think you've gone through, you can always receive the light. You can always accept the light into your life, the light of heaven, the light of God. This person knows that you're going a little crazy in your mind about things. And this person is like, all you have to do is accept God or accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, that kind of thing. This person may be urging you to go to church. They could be telling you to go to church or find a sanctuary or something like that. This person is trying to encourage you to start waking up early in the morning. Go to a sanctuary or a church, somewhere where you can go every day until you start to feel better. And you need to pray to God. You need to meditate in peace. You need to send healing thoughts to yourself. And you need to know that you can be a light. You can be a good person. You can be like this angel. You can do this if you accept love into your heart. If you accept love into your heart, if you do not let this situation take everything out of you, or if a situation has already taken everything out of you, you can open up your heart again. You do not have to walk around here with a hardened heart. Because you know what God does to people with hardened hearts? He punishes them severely, something that they can't come back from. You will never have what you truly desire with this kind of person. No matter if it's them or if it's someone else, you will never have it. You have to really find love in yourself. Okay? God is calling for you. Okay? This is your message that it's time to go to church on Sunday. It's time to start praying. Even if you don't go to church, you need to get on your knees and you need to pray. You need to create a sanctuary within your home. You need to create a peace around you. You need to stop talking to other people about this stuff, and you need to get with God one-on-one if you're serious. All right, that's all I have. God first.